Hey guys, welcome back for another video. So let's reset my car. In today's video I'm going to show you I can get rid of this annoying flashing range indicator of an Renault Avantime 2002. Different special car is this, and in this short video I'm going to show you how you can do it for yourself. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, so let's reset my car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars, some tips and tricks about cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, first have the ignition turned off, then turn the ignition back on, and then we're gonna use this thumbstick over here, press to scroll through the menu over there. And when we find this one flashing, press and hold it. Press and hold this button over there. You'll see. Keep pressing that till it stops flashing, and you'll see that the range indicator doesn't flash anymore. Do the test by turning the ignition off, starting the car, and the annoying flashing indicator of this car has gone. That was it for this video. And Renault Avantime 2002. Hope to see you next time in another video, another car. Thank you. Bye bye.